working on today?
Dude, I don't want to do it.
Stop. What do we got here? Bow, bow. Show him the hand. Show him the hand.
Dude, my wheel's almost bigger. Hold on, the exhaust side. Yeah, we matching now.
What do we got in the bay today?
Not one, but two. Oh, man, I don't want to do this.
What do we got in the bay today?
So we got a A7, S7, RS7.
It's an S7.
We got an S7.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing the twin turbos on it.
Yep.
I believe they're R7 hybrids. FCP box that's fully loaded with goodies. So probably PCV, oil screen, all sorts of gaskets.
I know we've talked about it in the past, but why is doing the oil screen on these important?
So they actually have a recall. Basically, the screen clogs. The particulates in it is so small that the screen clogs with carbon buildup and stuff like that, and it starves the turbos for oil. So what we do is we replace the screen with the new revision that the microns are smaller on it. Bigger on it, so the oil passes through.
Thanks, Nick.
Yeah, we're not doing.
Fudge excited about it.
Fudge excited about it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go look at a real car, Tyler.
All right, Fudge.
Tyler.
It's like 50 degrees out, dude, and it's
back
January 4th.
Dude.
Bro, look at all the beams we got here. Look at all the beams we got here. We got Tobey's 335.
The Evolution.
We got the wagon.
It's like Pokemon.
Wow.
You start off at Charmander, then you go to what's the second one?
Charmeleon.
Charmeleon.
And then we got Charizard.
Charizard. You know what I'm saying? Look at this beautiful car.
Yeah, this thing's sick, dude.
Yeah, Isle of Mon Green.
With the carbon buckets.
With the carbon buckets and Tyler.
Oh, bro, we got the ceramics.
Carbon ceramics too on the brakes.
Check out these seats, Fudge.
Look at this thing, huh?
Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice car, Fudge.
Yeah. So we're doing an oil change.
Okay.
Just some maintenance and then front-facing intakes.
Woo! And what
vacuum cleaners on the front of this thing?
What brand are they?
Twin Dysons.
What brand are they?
I have no clue. Probably some.
Pop it.
They all come in the same box because it's all the same company that makes them.
Bow, bow.
This is RK Tunes.
Okay.
There's probably a sticker in there.
And what color do you think he got? The filters. Do they all come blue or you think
I think you probably got blue.
Check it out. Check it out.
Yeah, blue. Calling me.
Thanks, Fudge. All right, Fudge. So we are stock right now, stock intakes. Before the RK Tunes intake, let's hear it.
Get a lot of the gain out of it, but I know driving these things are supposed to sound nuts. So.
Well, let's do a flyby stock, and then we'll do a flyby with RK after.
Meanwhile.
Hey, Nick. What's the first step?
Hello, Todd.
What's the first step?
The first step is to yank the whole front end off the car.
So the whole front clip has to come off?
Yeah.
All right. What do we got here?
We have eBay downpipes. RS7 hybrids.
Bow.
Crankcase ventilation valve.
Bow.
See those holes?
Yeah.
So the PCB slides into this.
Okay.
Okay. And then there it is. So see these holes and gaskets?
Yeah.
So the PCB valve slides into this like this.
Okay.
And then this is oil return lines going to the turbo, oil feed lines going to the turbo.
Okay.
So we're going to replace that whole system so that turbos have fresh oil. We'll see if this old screen was clogged or whatever.
Cool.
We're going to do downpipes, I would love to do this whole job if it wasn't doing the downpipes.
Okay.
What we have to do is for the downpipes, the PCV system, the whole intake manifold, taking that off, this whole clip's coming off, that's one thing, whatever. But to do the downpipes, we have to take all this off. And the two downpipes, the cats are so big and they cross over. They come off the turbo and they cross over each other, and they're really a pain in the ass to get out, honestly. Okay. But we're going to have to do it.
Thanks, Nick.
So when I get more torn down, I'll... Did he change into shorts?
Yeah, I did. Is it a problem? Is it a problem?
He's hot.
Hold on.
Dude, I come out of the bathroom, you're trying to be turbo hand? Tyler.
One more clip.
Dude, what are you doing? All right, take it off. Show him how it's done. Show him how Daddy taught you. Oh.
Just like that.
Tyler, you like that? Who'd you learn from?
Who'd
you learn from?
Best, baby. The best in the business.
Turbo.
Mr. Turbo Hand. Bow.
Guys, Fudge is like mad Aggie today, so we gotta get him an amp. Fudge is mad Aggie today, so I had to get him an amp. There you are, Fudge.
Meanwhile.
What do we got in the dyno, Martin?
What's up, baby? We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8 6.4 liter Hemi, all-wheel drive, 8-speed transmission. It gets more miles per gallon than miles per gallon.
Well, let's see how it sounds.
Yeah, so we're gonna be testing in the 1-to-1 gear, which is 6. So it's gonna be a little bit of a longer run, but it's gonna give us the most accurate number.
Cool.
I believe, don't quote me on this, I mean I could do a quick Google search, but I wanna say they're like 475 at the crank. But with the 8-speed transmission, it should feel a lot more powerful than that. Yeah, we're gonna do this is literally our first run. I just calibrated it to the dyno, so we'll see what it puts down.
Let's see what it does.
Two hours later.
All right, Fudge. We got the Arcade Tunes intakes all installed. How'd it go?
So compared to the F80, which I've done a lot of the front-facing intakes, the fitment on these is a lot better. It is nice because you get a 3.5-inch pipe from start to finish. Only on that one side it adapts down just a little bit,
Right.
but it's a lot of airflow. And if you go to Jordan's video on Arcade Tunes and look at his install video on this, you can actually see that the duct on the F80s, there used to be ducts that go right to the front of the grills. That's where it pulls air in. The duct is actually blocked off, so it's not even pulling air from this. So realistically, you're actually gaining a lot of airflow just from trimming where the
Right.
the filters go in. So you trim that out, you get a lot more airflow in. It sounds great. It fits a lot better than the F80s, like I said. And then it looks badass.
It does, yeah. I'll show them and then we'll get a flyby. You can hear it a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, it's load, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get some load on it.
Let's do it. It's loud.
Yeah?
It's loud
Did
from
you
the
hear it?
outside. Oh yeah.
Guess we'll see, right?
Thanks, Fudge. Hey, Nick!
Hi, Tyler.
Where are we at?
So, right now we're just cleaning. So basically, as you can see, it looks like a catastrophic mess right here.
It does.
So, the turbos are out.
Yep.
The crankcase is out. The manifold's out. So
Okay.
basically, these are the old turbos.
Okay.
We have the upgraded ones going in. And then the whole PCV system, manifold system,
Yep.
and the whole intercooler system, water to air.
Yep. And we showed them this already. Wow. And here we are.
So both intake manifolds on the left bank and the right bank go to this guy.
Okay.
Air comes in here. Water-cooled intercooler. Air comes out. Cooler goes into the engine.
Yep.
And then the whole PCV system is attached to it, which you have to take off and slide out.
Okay. And that's the old one.
That's the old one. Everything
Okay.
gets reused, but the whole PCB system, that's all new.
Is new. What do we got here, Nick?
This is the gasket. So basically, this is the center of the engine right here.
Okay.
This gasket is going to sit here. Okay?
Yeah.
Oil's going to come through here. It's going to go into here. After I clean this up, it's going to
Yeah.
go into here. And then that's what's going to feed the turbos oil.
Okay.
And then the turbos go in here and it drains oil.
Cool.
So we're going to get it all cleaned up.
Sweet. Thanks, Nick.
I won't do anything for you.
Hey, Nick. New turbos are in. Well, getting put in.
Right?
How do they look?
Ah, no. So, new turbos are in.
Here they are.
The bottom plate is
Yeah.
installed.
So the new gasket,
Yep,
the new-
gaskets,
new plate.
plate, turbines. Sorry, I had lunch. I'm a little
Well,
lunch hungover. Well, tired. But
so what should the viewers expect for tomorrow's finish up?
for the car to run,
So we're gonna get the downpipes on.
so we're gonna take. I'll show you that whole mess of taking everything apart tomorrow. So
Okay.
today we're hoping to get the turbos back on, the PCB and the manifold on.
Yeah.
The whole front clip on.
Cool.
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.